Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find credit card number on Apple Wallet. If you have an Apple card, credit card, or debit card linked to your Apple Wallet, you can easily view the full card number. Here's how. First, open the Wallet app, tap the card you want to view. In the top right corner, tap the three dots. Tap card number and your card number will be revealed. If you didn't set it up in wallet, there are two other places you can check. Option 2, through settings. Open settings and tap wallet and Apple Pay. Select the card, tap card information. View your banking details including your card number. Option 3, through Safari Autofill. In Settings, scroll down and tap Safari. Tap Autofill, then Save Credit Cards. Authenticate, then tap a card to view full details, number, expiration, and etc. This works for your Apple Card and any credit or debit cards you've added. And that's it. That's how to find credit card number on Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.